1-minute explanation ng unit na to.
This unit is Motor Metro electric scooter. Rainproof electric scooter to. 10 inches tires, mechanical disc brakes, meron tayong suspension dito sa likod. Rear hub motor 500 watts, 35 kph max speed. Body natin ay alloy, charging port ay andito. Napakakapal ng pole natin. Power switch, speed selector, thumb throttle, mechanical disc brakes, tsaka bell. Minimalist yung dashboard natin. Andyan yung battery bar, speed, tsaka speedometer. Meron tayong suspension, tapalodo, 10 inches tubeless tires. Ground clearance naman natin ay 13 cm. Ang unit na to ay foldable. Meron lang to 21 kilos na bigat. Isa to sa mga pinakamagaan na rainproof electric scooters. Meron tayong dalawang nut para mabuksan yung deck para ma-access yung battery. Isa to sa mga selling point ng unit na detachable yung battery. Meron tayong 15 Ah na battery, rainproof yan, aluminum casing. Per full charge, kaya natin umabot ng 50 kilometers.
Ito pipiliin mo kung gusto mo ng magaan, rainproof, detachable yung battery, 10 inches na yung gulong, tapos full suspension.
Again, this unit is Motor Metro electric scooter. Take it away.